Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this part. To design this part, we'll use extrude boss, extrude cut, fillet and chamfer command. Let's see how to design this. Let's start. First, we'll go to Sketch tab and we'll click Sketch command, and here we'll select the right plane. I'm going to create this diagram from side view, that's why I selected a right plane. Now let's take line command and we'll define the sketch. So one vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, and horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, and we'll close the sketch with the origin. I will specify all the dimension. Dimension of this line will be 125. This line to be 16. We'll define this line 28, 16, this to be 20, and here it is 12. Now our sketch is defined. We'll exit from the sketch. Now we are going to extrude this sketch. We'll select the sketch from here and go to Feature tab. We'll take Extrude command. In the Extrude command, we'll define the type to be mid-plane and we'll specify the total distance to be 86. OK. Now I want to make this object to be completely round from here. So what we'll do, we'll go to Fillet tool. In the Fillet tool, we'll take the type full round method. Here we have to select 3 different faces to make it full round. We'll specify one by one face. We'll specify faces one by one. We'll select face 1 in the box 1, middle face in the box 2, and the side face in the box 3. OK. So it becomes completely round here. Now I want to remove some material from here. We can do in 2 ways. We can draw the shape and we can draw one triangle shape here and we can cut the material, or we have one more method. We'll take a chamfer tool directly and we'll select this edge and we'll specify both side distances in distance form. So here we'll take asymmetric chamfer and we'll specify the distance. So here distance 2 is 24 and distance 1 is 30. OK. Now I need to cut material from this face. We'll select this face and we'll draw one straight slot here. We'll specify the total dimension of the slot. It is 19. And we'll specify the radius of this 10. And we'll specify from this point to this point the total dimension is 82. Now we'll exit from the sketch and we'll remove the material. We'll take extrude cut option and we'll specify the dimension. So this is total 16 and OK. So this is how we have completed this part. Now let's see all the 4 views of this part. So this is a top view and this is a front view and this is a left side view and this is a isometric view. Now again let's make into a single view. Now we want to apply some appearance on this. We'll go to appearance and we'll specify the type of appearance that we want to apply. Let me take solids and from here we'll specify some solid color. OK. So we have completed this part. Thank you for watching this video.